Mark your latch 1000mm up from the floor, then square your line across. Set your combination square to half the thickness of the door and mark on from both sides to find the centre. Mark the depth of the latch on your spade bit using some masking tape. Drill out your door to the depth of your latch. Mark the top and bottom of your latch so you know where you'll be chiselling out to. Elongate your hole using an 18mm chisel so it accommodates the latch body. Go back in with your spade bit to get rid of any loose debris. Check the latch fits. Always make sure your latch is the right way up. Go around the perimeter of your latch faceplate. Set your straight fluted 12.5mm router cutter to the depth of the faceplate. Set your guide fence so your router cuts up to the edge of the latch faceplate. Use your router to remove the material behind the latch faceplate. This way your latch will fit perfectly flush with the edge of your door. Clean up the edges using a sharp 18mm chisel. You can clamp blocks of wood to either side of the door to prevent the thin strips of wood at either side of the latch splitting out. Offer your latch up to the door to check that it fits in the recess. Now that you're confident that the faceplate fits, you can mark out the holes for the door handle spindle. Set your combination square from the front of the latch faceplate to the centre of the spindle. Line your combination square up with the centre of the latch and draw a mark on the side of your door. Repeat the same process on the other side of the door. Use your latch to check that you've got the mark in the correct position. If this hole is marked incorrectly, you could risk ruining your door as the handle hole won't be in the correct place. Use a 16mm spade bit to drill in from both sides of your door. Drilling all the way through your door will result in too much tear out. Flip your latch around and mark the screw hole position in the recess. Remove the latch and pilot these marks with a 2mm wood drill bit. Countersink your pilot holes to accommodate the pressed metal latch faceplate. When you screw your latch into position using the screws provided, it will now fit perfectly flush with the edge of the door. If you fit your latches in a slightly different way, let us know in the comments below. All that's left to do now is fit the door handle. Thanks for watching.